my quilty friends, it's Carolina Moore, your favorite sewing and quilting YouTuber, and today we're doing day 6 of the Mini Quilt Advent. So excited to get started on this block. So if you haven't opened up today's envelope yet, go ahead and hit pause, open that up now because I don't want to spoil it. Alright, this is today's unit. It's a super simple block today with just 2 seams. Now if you're watching this video going, what in the world is she talking about? Friends, while I peel off the backing on this, I'm going to tell you. Now the Mini Quilt Advent is an annual advent calendar that I put together where every day you get to open an envelope, and in that envelope is a pattern and an acrylic template. And for 12 days we open up patterns and acrylic templates and we put together quilt blocks, and at the end of those 12 days we get to put the quilt blocks together to make a mini quilt, and we get to quilt it and we get to bind it and we have a fully finished quilt. Then for those who want, we have days 13 through 24, so you can make a bigger quilt if you want, but days 13 through 24 are hidden away, so if you don't get the patterns, you can't get the information on how to make those blocks. Alright, so this is day 12, and we just need 3 of these. This is the 1.5 by 4.5 inch rectangle, and again that's the finished size, so that if later on you want to sketch out quilt designs and quilt ideas using these, you'll know the finished size. You don't have to do quilt math to add the seam allowances on. Alright, I have my fabric out. Let's take a look. Alright, clearly we've done 2 blocks with this one. Well, that actually, that could work. This is a little bit of a skinnier strip. That could be cute. Oh, this is right on the edge for me, but that house is actually really cute. All right, I'm going to consider that. There's a similar, I think the mirror image of it is over here of that house. That one has a deer on it too. That's super cute. I didn't even see that there are more. There's deer. I might have to add those in a block in the future. Okay, I've got this floral, which I've used exactly once. I have these ornaments, which if I turned it sideways, like that could be cute. Got a very simple, I've got these. Oh, that's perfect. It's like the templates and the fabric were designed for each other. I think I'm gonna have to do that one. Stop. Okay, the deer fit perfect. The gnomes fit perfect. Alright, I think I'm gonna do I think the gold is gonna blend too much with the mustardy of the deer. So I want the deer, the gnomes, and this green. There we go. All the houses are cute too. But I think I need something in between there that isn't like a perfect fussy cut fabric. I think I need kind of like a neutral in there. I think the green's going to be a good neutral. Alright. Here we go, here we go. Alright, we'll start with this. Oh, how about I cut up next to my template? That would be helpful. Alright. Now let's fussy cut some gnomes. Alright, if I do these 3 right side up, then that needs to be the right side up. Even though 2 of the gnomes will be upside down, I feel that that might be on brand for gnomes. Upside down gnomes. It's not so far-fetched, I think. Okay. Ah, so close. Okay. No dear. Okay. Now to decide. I like that color order. I mean, the green has to go in the middle, I think. I don't think. It could be like that. That's not terrible either. But I think I like it better with this. I keep calling it green. It's a teal more in the middle. Alright, this is 2 quick and simple seams, and we're actually not going to press in between doing the seams. We're going to do 2 right sides together and then add on the 3rd piece and sew that one. You can press in between if you really want, if that makes you happy. But I only press when I have to. I always press when I have to, but I don't want to press more than I have to. Alright. So, like this. Flip that over. Alright, you can press the seams in one direction, you can press them both towards the middle. Either honestly will be just fine. And that's it. A quick and easy day 6, a super fun block. I'm going to add this to our collection here. We start moving these up because we're going to have 6 more blocks that join. If you're doing the 12-day Mini Quilt Advent, we are now halfway through. If you're doing the 24-day, we're a quarter of the way through. All right, friends, give this video a thumbs up. Leave your questions and comments down below. If you're not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing. Hit that subscribe button. And friends, we'll be back later today with our Advent opening video, and we'll be back tomorrow to do day 7. Bye for now, my friends.